Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for my 2021 fall home tour. I am beyond excited to take you around all of the main living spaces of my house, as well as my master bedroom and my front porch, and show you how all of my fall decor turned out for this year. I have already shared 2 clean and decorate with me style videos, and those show more of like the process of decorating and what my initial thoughts were for how I wanted this space to look. However, I do have to say that almost everything has changed since I finished filming those videos, and I have all new displays to show you. These are the final fall displays that we are going to love and enjoy for the remainder of the season, and I'm so excited to share some of these decorating ideas with you and some of the thought process that I had, or tips and tricks for how you can decorate your own home and approach your own fall decorating. I hope that this video gives you a ton of motivation and inspiration to start decorating your house for this beautiful season, because it is my favorite season. I love it so much. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if fall is also your favorite season, or if you just enjoy decorating, or if you just enjoy home tours. And I don't want this intro to be too long, so I'm gonna stop rambling and head outside with you guys and start showing you my front porch. Please excuse all of the crickets and barking dogs and outdoor noises, but we are outside looking at the front porch, and I'll try to make it quick, but I'm so excited to share this space with you guys. The girls made all of the decisions for this area this year, and I'm so proud of them. They created a beautiful fall setup. Sawyer really wanted purple and white florals, and so we found these beautiful mums at Walmart, and also these really pretty purple flowers at Lowe's, I think it was. She did a great job picking these out. They look beautiful and are very complementary to the orange and cream colored pumpkins that we have. We had all of those from last year, so we didn't have to buy any this year. We also had the lantern already, our bench, and these throw pillows and owl. So that made it really affordable to decorate out here. And then we did get a new scarecrow. It was finally time, and we found her at Walmart. The girls were very conscious to pick out a new little scarecrow that would match our buffalo check front door mat, and they did a great job with that. We layered on top of it this orange pumpkin mat from Hobby Lobby, and I just think it's so cute. I thought it was adorable that they thought to layer rugs. And then we kept it really simple next to that with just some purple mums in this little planter. And then on the actual front door, we have this beautiful faux wheat wreath from the Hearth & Hand collection. That matches with everything out here, but it also matches with all of the indoor decor. So coming in from outside, this is the view that you see when you first walk into my home. So we've got our entryway that is open with our living room area. And then here on the right are our girls' bedrooms and their bathroom. Nothing in those rooms has changed, and so I'm not going to be touring those today, but I will link the video where I did all the decorating if you want to see their individual seasonal decor. When you look straight on, you can see into our kitchen, and then behind that is our family room. The family room also hasn't changed, but I'll link the video where I decorated that space. This door is a coat closet, and this is our master bedroom. But we are going to start in the entryway, which is one of my favorite places to decorate ever since I did that DIY entryway makeover. I just love putting little throw pillows on this bench that I DIY'd, and then changing out the wreath here seasonally. This wreath is actually from the Hearth & Hand collection this year, as well as the burgundy colored pillow on the bench. And then the Grateful, Thankful, Blessed pillow is actually a pillow cover that I got from Amazon. There is a lot of Target and Hobby Lobby in this home tour, but do you really expect anything else from me? And then probably one of my absolute favorite places to change out the decor is this shelf here in the entryway. For fall time, I just have this beautiful floral arrangement from the Studio McGee line. a couple of pumpkins that are from Target, and then also some candlesticks that are from the Studio McGee line this year. Studio McGee and Hearth and Hand just really killed it. I loved every single piece of the fall collections, and it was really difficult not to buy them all. But moving over from our entryway, we can kind of see into our living room. Of all of the rooms in my home, this one is definitely my favorite, just because it is the most simple and minimal, and that is definitely my personal decor style and taste. The rest of my family prefers what I would call cluttered and they would call cozy, which you will see those cozy vibes throughout the rest of my home, but this room definitely reflects me, and I'm really grateful to have this space. Mostly I just have to change out throw pillows like this orange one from the Threshold brand, and throw blankets like this gray one from Studio McGee, and that really changes up the seasonal decor without having to put in a lot of effort. I also like to change up the coffee table decor and side table. So on my coffee table, I have this beautiful vase from the Studio McGee line this year with just a couple of floral picks from the Hearth and Hand collection. And I complemented that with this thankful sign from Hobby Lobby, and I think it turned out great. And then over on the side table next to my front door is another little floral arrangement from the Studio McGee collection, my mail slot that is always there, and a cozy candle. Adjacent from our couch and sitting area is our fireplace and ladder shelf. This is definitely a very cozy space in this room, and one of my favorite DIY projects that I have ever done. I love these tiles that I installed around our fireplace, but they are definitely a statement all on their own. And so I like to keep the mantelpiece decor very simple so that it doesn't clash with those tiles. I always have this feels good to be home sign up here, and I just switch out the knickknacks that I put around it. For fall, I have some florals from Target and a couple of pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and I think it turned out beautifully, and it just goes to show that you don't have to do the most to have a beautiful, styled, cozy space for your family for any season or holiday. And then over here on my ladder shelf, I used to hate decorating this thing, but then a few of you commented on some of my videos talking about that and said, stop trying to do so much and just let it be simple. And so ever since then, it has been such a joy to decorate. I keep these little bud vases out here and switch out the florals for the season. And then down here, I just placed some pumpkins. The two smaller ones on this little tiered tray are from Target, and then the beautiful orange floral one here is from Hobby Lobby this year, and my goodness, it is just absolutely stunning. One of my favorite pieces that I picked up in the fall decor this year. And then down in my little dough bowl, I do have some vase filler from Target and some Dollar Tree pumpkins from last year, and that was good enough. I think that it's really pretty. And then a little Easter egg from all of my decorating videos is that I always switch out the front record in this little box of records here to match the color palette or color story of whatever decor I've got going on. I do think that I did a pretty good job with my entryway and living room decor. It's separate enough that it makes the entry feel like a different space from the living room, which gives the home a larger appearance, but it's still cohesive and complementary enough that it all works together and nothing sticks out like a sore thumb. But moving from this room into my kitchen, you see part of our dining table from the living room, so I wanted this to be complementary as well. And I just have this really simple tray from the Hearth and Hand collection here with some florals and pumpkins on it. Florals and ceramic pumpkin are from Target last year, but I did add in some of these orange, cream, and green pumpkins from Hobby Lobby this year that really tied in the living room decor that you can see from this vantage point but also complements the rest of the kitchen decor. My family is Rae Dunn obsessed, but we do keep it contained to the kitchen, so you'll see a lot of Rae Dunn pottery used to decorate in this space, especially here on our coffee station. Derek and Kinsley always look forward to me decorating our coffee bar with all of our seasonal and holiday finds. On our little shelves here, I just kept most of our basics. We like to use the icon and black pottery pieces as our basics. And I also added in these green measuring cups that were part of the Easter release, just because I felt like the green was very complementary to the fall green that I have going on. And then I sprinkled in some more of those Hobby Lobby pumpkins. Next to that, we have our mug rack from Pottery Barn, and I just decorated that with alternating burgundy and icon mugs. Some of my favorite fall mugs from this release were the Sweater Weather and Cuddle Weather. I think they are so cute, and we were really excited to find those. And then above that, I always keep this But First Coffee sign. I feel like it kind of completes the space and pulls it all together. It's up there for pretty much every season and holiday. I get a lot of questions about our coffee table, and unfortunately we found it at HomeGoods, so I can't link this exact one. But there is one that is very similar on the Target website, and I always have that linked in the description box. Our microwave fits down here on this top shelf, and beside it I just put a beautiful green pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. And then we have some extra mugs down here, and I have a little box with all of my table runners in it. Our countertops also have quite a bit of Rae Dunn on them, and this Hobby Lobby shelf is actually Kinsley's cocoa bar. I love decorating it for her. It is one of the most fun things to decorate, and she's always involved in that. But for fall this year, I was excited to be able to display my sweets canister and pink measuring cups and sprinkle that in with some of these burgundy fall pieces, and I felt like it was so complimentary. I really enjoy the way that it turned out. I also used some more of those green and cream colored pumpkins from Hobby Lobby to kind of tie it in with the rest of the space and fill in all of those little gaps. That's definitely my #1 tip if you are decorating a shelf like this or any kind of space. If you feel like it's just not coming together or it's just missing something, try some greenery and some filler. Vase filler always works perfectly, and see if that kind of pulls it together for you. But this is on the left side of our sink, and then over on the right side of our sink, I have another little vignette, I think they're called. This tray is from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. It's not the fall collection though. I think it's just a staple piece. And I have some of our black and icon Rae Dunn pieces as well that are out year round. And then I just filled this little pitcher with some fall greenery and some pumpkin picks from Hobby Lobby, as well as another one of those orange leaf pumpkins from Hobby Lobby and a little green one. And I love the way that this turned out. Again, it is so simple, but it's beautiful in my opinion. I really enjoy that. Aside from her bedroom, the kitchen is Kinsley's favorite place for seasonal and holiday decor, and I'm proud to say that she was really happy with what I came up with to display her Rae Dunn fall collection this year. Now again, beyond the kitchen is our family room, which hasn't really changed much. So if you want to see the decor in there, I will link the Decorate With Me video that I have where I set all of that up. But moving out of the kitchen, we go back into the living room, and then to the right here is going to be my master bedroom. When you first walk into our room, our bed is on the left-hand side, and Derek's dresser is actually over here on the right. And this is the newest addition to our decor in here. I love this framed print that I picked up at Target, and I feel like it fills this space nicely. It's been empty for so long, and I just thought this was beautiful and very complimentary to the fall decor that also came from Target this year. I told you guys the Hearth and Hand and Studio McGee lines snapped. Every single piece was so beautiful, and so I couldn't help but to pick up these two charcoal colored vases from the Hearth and Hand line, as well as this faux wheat over here. They're just absolutely stunning. And then the pumpkin is from the Threshold brand at Target. On the other side of my bedroom, I just have my bed as well as my dresser, our TV, and our huge mirror over there with a couple of lanterns in front of it. All of my bedding is Hearth and Hand collection from Target. This throw blanket is new to the fall collection this year, but the duvet underneath of it was from last year, and I actually found it on clearance. The lumbar pillow there is also new this year and complements that throw blanket nicely, as well as these green pillows in the back. But the rest of the cascade of pillows that is here on my bed are always here. They're from Hearth and Hand collection a couple of years ago, I believe. My bed tray is from HomeGoods. I've had it for a couple of years, and I made the book stack myself as a Christmas gift for Derek a couple of years ago. But these little faux floral arrangements and the candle are all new to the Hearth and Hand fall collection this year. Over on my nightstand, I have some more of those beautiful charcoal vases from the Hearth and Hand collection. I've also filled them with little faux wheat, and I forget what these are called every time, but these are also from the Hearth and Hand collection and very affordable. I think they're $2 a piece. And then I have another one of these little fabric pumpkins from Threshold at Target.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're